How to play Roblox on Smart TV. Now in this very quick video, I'm going to show you how you can play Roblox on your smart television. Now it's definitely doable, but it's going to be case to case basis depending on the make and model, especially the feature of your smart television. Now not all smart television has a feature or a capability to connect your PlayStation controllers or Xbox controllers or any types of controllers that you can use. But if you can, just simply head straight into your smart TV Bluetooth or Wi-Fi for you to successfully connect your controller before downloading the game. Next is to access available app store that you have on your smart television, and then just simply look for research for Roblox and click on install button and it will automatically install by itself and run the game. And those are the things that you can do for you to play Roblox on your smart TV.